The automatic log feeding machine is a device used to automatically load logs onto processing equipment and is used in conjunction with a bandsaw carriage. Its main function is to transport logs forward from the stacking or storage area and position them at the feeding location of the processing equipment. It can replace manual loading by workers before sawing. The loading rack can store multiple logs simultaneously and is controlled by a log turning mechanism and a conveyor chain, ensuring that there is always one log ready in the log turning component for feeding continuous and processing by the bandsaw carriage.